Namaskara Bengaluru, this is MJ Bob live from Maharani's College. What's up guys? So ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ Maharani's College ಜೋಶ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಜೋಶಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ we're going to dance for a super duper number. There we go. Come on. Yes. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್. ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟೀಮ್ ಎ, ಇದು ಟೀಮ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ ನಾವು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಜೋಶ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? Can you prove it? One more energetic number. There we go. 3, 2, 1 and go! Bengaluru, this is MJ Bob live from Maharani's College, and guess what? I have hosted a beautiful show called Miss Maharani, and you know what? I'm standing right next to Miss Maharani, and that is none other than Smriti for the year 2024. Hey Smriti, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Great. So Smriti, were you expecting today that you're going to become Miss Maharani for the year 2024?
No, I was not at all expecting. It was really, I'm feeling so happy and there's no words.
Wonderful, perfect. So Smriti, in this video, what is that you want to say to other students who are about to take part in the Miss Maharani contest?
I would like to encourage them and I would like to guide them, and please come up with the courage and show them what you are.
Perfect, Smriti. Thank you very much. Anything you want to say to your college and teachers?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and thank you, beautiful girls who were encouraging me for this. Thank you so much. MJ Bob was really awesome.
The winner of Miss Maharani contest number 13. Smriti from Final Become.
MJ Bob, hi. Your host was super marvelous, a fantastic chef's kiss.
Wow.
The way he encouraged everyone, every student enjoyed very much. I loved your show. I want you to come again here. Thank you.
MJ Bob. It's not a name, it's a brand of Maharani Cluster University today. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕರೆದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾರಂತೆ. ಸೊ MJ Bob is a very great person.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.